everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I have been really busy and I've really had the time to make another video. If you follow me on Instagram, you had probably seen one of my stories where I mentioned that I totally forgot I had this item until I started organizing my closet and I found it sitting underneath a pile of clothes. So let's get started. So to all my Gucci lovers out there, I am pretty sure you already know about this. Last year, Gucci dedicated a collection to celebrate the Chinese New Year of the Pig, which is a piglet collection, and this year they launched the Mickey Mouse collection to celebrate the Chinese Year of the Rat. So today I am going to be unboxing the Gucci Tennis 977 sneakers, and here we go. Here's the box. We bought this one from Harrods, and it's so weird because Gucci is the only brand that they carry that doesn't come with a bag. So when we bought this one, it came in this Harrods plastic bag, which is so weird, and I'm kind of sad because I didn't get that. But anyways, yeah, so as you can see, the Mickey Mouse print is all over the box, which is very different from the usual box that it comes in. As you open it, you'll see this usual care instructions, extra laces, and dust bag is totally different from the typical Gucci dust bags. Typically it's just a regular white dust bag, but this also has the Mickey Mouse print on it. This is how it looks like close up. And now let's talk about the materials. It has a rubber sole and it's made of canvas fabric. Gucci introduced their new material, which is the Mini GG Supreme Canvas, and it has this vintage Mickey Mouse print all over. At the time of purchase, the whole collection was completely sold out, but that was back in February. Originally, I was going to purchase the A sneakers with the Mickey Mouse print on it. However, since it was sold out, I ended up getting this one because this was the last pair that they have in that collection, and at that time, only Harrods carried it, so it felt like it was meant to be. Now let's talk about the price. I got this one for 485 pounds. Here in the US, it retails for $690 plus tax, so it's around $730. Last time I checked, it is available here in the US, but it is sold out in some of the sizes, but you can definitely get it at the Gucci store or Neiman Marcus, Bloomingdale's. Even though I did not end up getting the original style that I was gonna get, I do not regret purchasing this one. As you can see, it's so stylish and very unique. So that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I promise I am gonna be more active in here, and see you in my next one.